powerful mantra of Buddha Grah or Mercury planet. So Buddha is the Lord of Intelligence. He is also called the protector of merchants and scientists. The symbolic presentation of Buddha is shown as sitting on a yali. So what is a yali? It is also called as Vyalya. So Vyalya is a mixture of two words. Vya means Vyagraha, that is the lion, and Alya means big animal. Means big animal and lion combined together to form a new animal. So it is the product of genetic engineering, also called as Vidala or Sarabham. Sarabham, what is Sarabham? Sara means liquid, Bham means feature, the liquid that contains the feature. So we can understand they are clearly talking about genetic engineering. So he is sitting on a genetically engineered animal. The four hands of the god are symbolically shown as holding a mace or a scale, a circular wheel-like instrument. Another hand is having a document, and fourth hand is shown in blessing mudra or posture. So if you want to understand more about the gods and why they exist and why they are worshipped in Hindu religion, you can read my book Devtas, who are the Hindu gods. The name of the book is given in the description box also. This mantra is very, very powerful. When you chant this mantra or even listen to this mantra, because this is a Bij mantra. Bij mantras contain some kind of reverberations. Those reverberations have potential to change the way we behave, change our complete personality. So when we chant or listen to this mantra, they have similar kind of an effect. And listening to this mantra increases intelligence, growth in business or business intelligence, and growth in wherever you need intelligence. In that field, it can bring growth. Right? So before chanting, we have to chant Ganpati mantra. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Now chanting Buddha Grah mantra for 11 times. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Saha Buddhaya Namaha. 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 ॐ ब्रां ब्रीं ब्रां सः बुद्धाय नमः। 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 ॐ ब्रां ब्रीं ब्रां सः बुद्धाय नमः।